Hi, welcome to another session of our video lecture series on linear equations in one variable. In this video, we shall recall and apply the RESA format in answering algebraic word problems. Be sure to master this solution format as you will be using this system even after this school year. Let's begin with an example. Twice a number increased by 5 is 25. What is the number? Solving word problem begins with knowing exactly what we are looking for. In the representation stage of the RESA, we select and define the variable that will stand for the unknown value. In the given problem, we are looking for a certain number that satisfies the given conditions. As such, we select a variable, say x, and define it. We begin our representation like this. We will let x be the number. What this means is that when we use the variable x in some equation, we mean for x to be the number that, when multiplied by 2, then increased by 5, yields 25. Based on the given conditions in the word problem, we now formulate our equation. In the example, we are looking for a number, which we already named as x, that fits the given description. So, we have the equation 2x plus 5 equals 25. Now, we need to find a solution to this equation. We apply the all-important properties of real numbers and equations that we learned in the past weeks, such as DPMA, the inverse properties, APE, and MPE. In this case, we have Be sure to revisit the problem and see what was being asked in the first place. This is a very important step, as the solution to the equation is not necessarily the answer to the question. We'll see an example of this later. Remember that the problem is stated in sentence form. As such, it is only logical to state your final answer in sentence form as well. Don't worry, simple but concise statements will do just fine. Hence, we may state our final answer as the number is 10. Doing the RESA format makes our solving procedure very organized. It minimizes committing errors, especially careless mistakes. Now, try this on your own. 4 less than thrice a number is 14. Find the number. Pause the video now and start working on your RESA. Let's do one more example. The sum of 4 consecutive even integers is 14 more than 3 times the second even integer. The first task is find the largest of the 4 even integers. The second task is find the sum of the 4 even integers. Similar to the previous example, we see here that we are looking for consecutive integers. We can start by selecting a variable to represent the first of the 4 integers. As an example, let's pick any even integer, say 2. How do we find the next even integer? That's right, we add 2, therefore, if our first even integer is x, then we simply add 2 to get the next even integer. We may now add to our representation. Now that we have properly represented our unknown even integers with variable expressions, we can now formulate our equation. The problem states that we are looking for 4 consecutive even integers, the sum of which is 14 more than 3 times the second even integer. We then have the equation Let us now solve this equation. Now let's answer the questions. First, we are asked to find the largest of the 4 even integers. In our representation, the largest of the even integers is x plus 6. Since x is equal to 8, then the largest of the 4 consecutive even integers is 14. Next, we are asked to find the sum of the 4 even integers. Since x is equal to 8, then the even integers are 8, 10, 12, and 14. The sum of these 4 even integers is 44. Now answer the questions at the bottom of this Google quiz page. Be sure to click on the blue submit button.